To properly and safely hold a chef's knife, grip the heel or the base of the knife with your index and thumb fingers and wrap your other 3 fingers around the handle. Plan your first cut so you make a flat surface on the food you're cutting. For example, cut a pepper in half and place the flat side down on the cutting board before you begin to cut. Begin the slicing motion with the tip and push the knife forward across the food until you reach the heel or the base of the knife. Only a light touch is required because the sharp edge is doing the cutting. If you have to push down on the food with great force, either your knife is dull or your technique needs a little adjustment. Make the knife, not your arm, do the work. Use a forward cutting motion rather than a straight up and down motion. Follow all the way through the cut to achieve a fluid motion. For larger items that lay on the cutting board, such as a potato or pepper, start with the tip of the blade on the object. For smaller items, such as cucumbers or carrots, start with the tip of the blade on the cutting board. For mincing small items, such as herbs or garlic, use a rocking motion. Place your guiding hand on top of the blade. This will help you pivot the knife repeatedly along its curved edge. Never lift the knife off your board. Whether you are dicing, making julienne cuts, or straight slices, your other hand has a key role to play. It stabilizes the food you are cutting, guides the knife, and determines the size of your cut. Make certain that your fingers are curled inward and your thumb is tucked underneath. The side of the blade should rest against your knuckles, but never the edge itself. Remember to take things slowly at first. With time, practice, and confidence, your speed and technique will improve.